I am now teaching you, I am now teaching you some Haitian mo, but nous pas di mo, right? Nous pas di mo. We're not going to curse, huh? Nous pas di mo, right? Hello, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Welcome back to Lang Pam. My name is Lionel or LP. So this is the MSN series, the Wow series, Word of the Week, Mo Semen Na. Let's go avec. En aller. Let's go. Let's go. En aller.
Lampap, kriyon la seliva, nan tout ken apreka. Yon melodi plis yon plan, tout bout, ki gen gran.
MSN, Mo Semen Na, Word of the Week. The word for this week is pété. Pété, bow. Pété, right? Yes, pété is like a burst, right? Pow! Like a burst. Something gonna explode like a balloon. Pop the balloon, we'll say pété bladla. Pop the balloon. Pété blad. Pop. When you pop something, ou pété. When you pop something, ou pété li. Ou pété this thing. Ou pété li. Right? So this is pété. But that's the beauty of Haitian Creole. So I'm going to tell you more about a verse. What you will call a verse if I say pété. And it could be something else. And we're going to see. Alright? Let's go!
Ano pale kriyon yon lang ki si bel, li kriyon la se lang ki pi bel, sou la te paske se lang gayson.
Yes, pété could also mean like a cut. If I got like punch in my mouth and this is like pété bouch mwen, right? I got punch and I got a cut in my mouth. Blood is coming out. You could say yo pété bouch mwen avec yon coup de poing, right? Pété bouche with a punch in the mouth. Or pété any cut somewhere in your body. You could say like, yeah, depending on how you get it. So you could use the word pété. Yeah, we have this expression like pété plafond. Pété plafond. When you burst the ceiling up, burst out the ceiling from down to up. So pété plafond. It's like you go to another level. You go past the ceiling. Ou pété plafond. Yeah. Another expression with pété is when we say, for example, "Tetou genlè pété." It's like, are you being nuts? It's like when you're acting really crazy about someone or something. We say, "Tetou genlè pété." It is in our nature as human to consider pété as something funny. Something funny for some, something a little bit unpleasant for many, or maybe from people I grew up with. All right. I don't know if you wonder what I'm talking about right now. So, pété is also what you will be translated into your language as fart. Right? Someone farted, you said pété. I mean, let me try to make it like a little complicated. So, when you bursting out from your behind, we also call that pété. Yes, when you are deflated from your behind. It could be big, loud, or it could be silent. It's all pété, alright? Silent or not, this is what we really call pété. Alright, as often, the noise that comes with the burst is what we will call pété. But if your deflation is also smelly, we will call it pété, and smelly, senti, pété, senti. Okay? Remember, I'm just teaching you word, but I'm not telling word. I'm not saying words. So, nous pas di mo. So, we Haitian, like, I don't know, man. There's something about this nation, man. These people, I don't know. Why would we say like, trois coups de pité? Why would we say like trois coups de pété? Trois coups de pété. You shot your gun 3 times. So yeah, Creole parler, Creole comprendre. Why would we tell someone ou semblait à 3 coups de pété? Ressemblait à trois coups de pété. Haitian people, man.
Hey, if you're watching this, could you maybe subscribe? It'll really help me out. If not, it's okay. Hope you have a great day.